Hey doll, hey. So in this video, it's a quick video on how to do anchors only. Right now I am wearing my ladies night with anchors only, and it has the anchors in here, and these are little tiny magnets that you can use to wear your lashes without any magnetic liners. If you just want to try a different look or do something different, or not wear the magnetic liner, then this is an option for you. So let's go over how to do that. So for anchors only, you just take your lash, which has been trimmed, and I've shown you how to do that in the other video. Hold it up to where you want it and connect the other magnet to it, and it just jumps right to the magnet. And then on the second one, I like to push it out a little bit so I have a little more room to work. And these things like jump. So once you get it close, it is there. See? So that is no lash, and this is anchors only. It's a very natural look, very easy, no magnetic liner, easier to take off. At the end of the day, you just take the magnet and just kind of pinch it off, pinch and roll, and there you go. So if you're a fan of wearing anchors only and not having the magnetic liner, there is an option to get more of just the anchors. We have a new set out of just anchors. And it's also helpful to have this little guy, which is an applicator that I use to really get the anchors. And this isn't magnetic, which is very helpful because it doesn't magnetize to the magnet. So you can actually apply it and it works out really well. It's very natural. A lot of girls wear that on the daily and love it. So I hope you're enjoying your lashes, and I hope you enjoyed this video.